How to fix there was a problem with Nvidia app 2025 easy fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you can try restarting the app. That's the first method you can try, and then you can update to Nvidia drivers. Like outdated or corrupted drivers can cause the app to malfunction and can update your you can update your drivers through the Nvidia app if it opens or through device manager. To update through device manager, search for device manager, expand display adapters, right click on the Nvidia GPU and select update driver. You can also download the latest drivers from the Nvidia website, and you can run Nvidia app as administrator. Right click on the Nvidia app shortcut and select run as administrator. Alternatively, you can set the app to always run as administrator in the shortcuts property. And the fourth solution, you can try enable Windows notifications. Like some features of the Nvidia app rely on Windows push notification. Ensure they are enabled in your system settings. To enable them, go to settings, then system, notifications and actions, and ensure notifications from apps and other senders is turned on. And check for Windows updates. Like outdated Windows version can also cause compatibility issues. Install any pending Windows updates through settings, update security Windows update like this one. You can just go to the settings and click on the Windows update and check for if you have any updates and install the updates. And then you can reinstall the Nvidia app. If other solution fail, try installing and installing the Nvidia app. You can do this through the add or remove program section in Windows settings. After uninstalling, download the latest version of the Nvidia app from the Nvidia website and install it. And you can also check registry keys advanced, that is advanced option. And lastly, you can restart your computer after making these changes. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.